farming. So on the precise case of farming, so why we go for precise level? For better taking a precise analysis to the farming tools. Okay, so we see here about the tools used for modern agriculture. Of course, what are all the tools we used till now is that on discussion used GIS. What is GIS? Geographical information systems, and also GPS technology, and another kind is called the very important technology one is observed here, VRA. What is VRA stands for? VRA stands for variable or variable rate. What is VRA? Reference will be already up to that. Have I given? VRA stands for variable rate applications onto the technology. So what is variable rate application? Yes. So let's have just a visual understanding. So you imagine this is your field area and you are working with your tractor. Okay. So what you try to analyze? Yes, being a farmer, I am being a farmer. What I try to analyze to my field area. So whether all my what the area specifications could able to match my plantation or my crop cultivation, everything. Okay, so how can I analyze? So first of all, I need to level my area of a farming ground. Okay, so how to level my area? I use a technology what is called as a laser level viewing technology. So I'll tell you after this concept, it is continued with the next technology what is called as a laser level viewing. For that, I'll tell you in overall what we do with the variable rate applications to the farming of agriculture in modern era. Yes, of course. So it is a technology for especially provided for proper fertilizers. So what is proper fertilizers? You know that very well. Fertilizing or fertilization is very important to any crop or a field area. Yes, of course, the help of three important nutrients. What are three important nutrients? NK and P. So it's about N stands for nitrogen, A stands for potassium, and then phosphorus. So all the three important nutrients are very basic essential need for any plantation to grow for a very good quality product to be yielded at its final results. Yes, of course. So we make use of a better technology to be implemented in my agriculture in order to maintain those basic three nutrients of potassium, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Okay. So anyway, what happens if we try to implement a technology in the case of the fertilizing action to my farming area? Yes, of course. Example shows that it increases the yielding as a final product. As an example is given here is that it increases the important profitability by improving its nutrient efficiency. So I just find out what is short form Itas. Not as simple actually. I used to represent as Itas. So yes, the better nutrient efficiency. So how do you identify nutrient efficiency? You know very well. You try to get a rice product from a shop of a basic normal low level or a basic level shop. It's not of course low level also we can call a government. What to call it as that? Yes, ration shop. What makes the difference between the raw rice you collect from the ration shop and the that you collect from a processed shop? What makes the difference? It's polished. So what makes it? Nutrients will be. So you know very well, so once you try to, not in all the cases, but at least in some cases. So what people do in the government intake, so overall intake from the direct farmers, they don't go for polishing. So what happens? The natural ingredient will be available as it is, but at the same time, when you crush the rice, it gets powdered on instantly, and a lot of insects will be laying over there. This is available as a natural source, but at the same time, it has a possibility. So any natural ingredient you take, it has the ability to decay matters. But when it is subjected to a chemical composition or a reaction, what happens? The life cycle of the product will get increased, but the life cycle of the intake person gets different. So that's the logic basically. But it should be preserved onto a proper proportion. So what is said to be a proper proportion? Not more than that of the ratio to be forced onto the product meaning for big star? Pasyala what is that? Star. Sapat Keter. So it's not Pasi but Truck we call it, right? So in order to balance the situation, yes, of course, we are not able to provide all my crops onto a national ingredient what is available as a relationship to the but at the same time, so we need to concentrate something, but it should be onto a limit. So you know very well, even one drop of poison into a bottle of water, it's to a poison. Of course, there is a limitation of maintaining. So you know very well, alcohol being taken as a proper proportion act as a medicine, but it is beyond the limit acts as a poison. So that is the case. Of course, we need to understand. So what makes the impact of a proper nutrient to be what? The next one to us. Proper nutrient to be added to a fertilizers for a better product or a organic product. Of course, we are not able to get a proper organic, at least we avoid the artificial. So over proportion fertilizers to be added, what we would able to test the lifestyle of consumers. The product is of course, and it makes use of three technology of PRA, what is called as variable rate application technology. One means of seeding PRA, weeding PRA or weeding control. It's about weeding control. I'll tell you what is weeding, and then a fertilizer PRA. First we talk about the seeding PRA. You know very well, before and also you will be having a land since every time, so you need to go, but that is human involvement. Okay, so we need to pick up and then you make it and then you just level it and then you water everything. It takes a more number of time. But nowadays, due to the increasing population and balances with it needs a faster productivity. So for faster productivity, what is needed here? Of course, a seeding variable technology. We make use of some mechanism and a control area. So you imagine your field area is there, your tractor is there. So in this tractor, you will be embedding a box, what is called as a control box. So what is this control box made up of? It makes up of course, already what you studied with the help of the embedded control system. So what you try to embed, that is fixing. You are trying to embed it. And meaning for the word embed is what? Something to be fixing. So what you are trying to fix over here is that a control box. What does the control box has? All control applications. Yes, it is connected with the actuators like a hydraulic system. So have you heard about hydraulic systems? What is hydraulic systems? What? Yes, a hydraulic system. Have you heard about it? So it is able to provide a pressure limit under a fluid control. So you know very well, in some cases you would like to drill over the wall area, you need to keep on drilling. So have you heard about the drilling machines that embedded with the fluids? So once you inject the fluids, what? Immediately it gets what? Chemical composition, the wall becomes more flexible enough to make a drill single punch or a twice or thrice punch. So you could able to vanish the area of what you would like to retain. Okay. And the case similarly in your land area, you would like to pick up all the times, it takes more number of time and your human involvement. At the same time, to make use of some actuators here like drilling machines or hydraulics, what you would able to pick up, okay, and then make it onto a centimeters or to a definite distance. What is definite distance? Between 10 meters apart. So one product here, another plant here, and another here and here, and so on. So you make a definite distance. This is what definite. Indefinite distance means one is 10 meter, another one is 100 meter, another is 60 meters. That should be. So you make it as a probable kind. Yes, of course, onto a constant probability. Yes. So every 10 meters apart, you make your crops to set. So why you are setting? Why you make such great arrangement is that on a proper environment. So you imagine even in your classroom, one is sitting here, one is sitting here, there. No, it's not a proper organizing environment. So of course, you are sitting onto a grade level. Of course, we would able to easily analyze, easily pick up what goes wrong and what goes right in everything. Okay, I do it everything. Am I fast? Is it okay for you? So you see here on a seeding here. So we would able to see very fastly and make a text, and here we would able to make a planters and drills. Make a drill, plant, and then so make it done. So to a PRA, in which kind of PRA, by adjusting the speed of the seed metering device or activated over there and make a yielded product for the same. Yes. And next we talk about the weeding control or weed control VRA. So what is weeding stand for? What is weed? Yes. Unwanted plants to be taken out in order to make a proper organizing area as well as utilization of the land in a effective manner. Okay. So we make use of hose. What is hose? H-O-E-S. It's not hose pipe. H-O-E-S. Ordinary multi. No, have you heard about that? My products will be there until that place will be having arrangement of iron like this. It's called like a hose. Okay. With the help of a hose, we would like to take the unwanted plant or otherwise a grown plant. A grown plant will be taken out with the help of definitely also make use of a knife like this. No? Like this. So obviously you would have noticed in pictures during this video, right? So you make harness and everything. So you make use of a map-based heat control PRA and also you make use of a task computer system. So what is task computer system? So which was already fixed in your control unit and send the signal to the farmer and obviously he makes another control so that he finds the product which was grown and makes it automatically with the help of actuators connected to the control box. Okay, it makes everything for your weeding control system. So or weed control. So it has a limitation. So you will be giving what is weeding? Unwanted plants to be taken out. So in order to take unwanted plants, you need to provide a control. So if I make a programming, automatically it will be taking out so without knowing what is wanted and what is unwanted. So you will be making out all the control sending the signal to the tractor unit which was embedded